With today's high cost of energy, it makes sense to replace your old air conditioner with an ultra-efficient Train heat pump from Poorman's Heating and Air. Train heat pumps provide total comfort year-round because they work during the hottest day of the summer or the coldest day of winter. And Poorman's will install your new system for less. You could get an energy tax credit of up to $500, and you'll save money over time by using less energy. Talk to the specialists at Poorman's Heating and Air.
Poorman's Heating and Air.
It's hard to stop a train.